Chopsticks operation. How to use the pen. And how to hold the pen. Let's move it with the thumb, index finger and middle finger. Switch to regulated chopsticks. It is interject between the thumb, index finger and middle finger. Then insert another chopstick from between the base of your thumb toward your ring finger. Let's pinch it with chopsticks. Thin objects are easier to pinch than thicker objects. Challenge the stone cooling cube. It may be easier to hold it diagonally. Tempura. Add salt or soup for tempura. Challenge the beads. Rice. Disposable chopsticks and regulated chopsticks. Disposable chopsticks. Release disposable chopsticks one by one. Let's practice. Challenge the beads. Come on, practice. Sushi. Separate disposable chopsticks one by one. Add soy sauce. This food is cold noodles. Disposable chopsticks are easier to pinch. This food is soba. This food is cutlet curry. Use a spoon. Challenge a light but big and slippery ball. Slippery things are difficult to pinch. Disposable chopsticks are easier to pinch. Ramen. you can eat with a bite. This is bamboo skewers used for yakitori. The AA batteries. Beef bowl. This is called gyudon. I'm used to the right hand. Let's move it with the thumb, index finger, and middle finger. I'm right-handed. Challenge based on the basics with your left hand. Unbalanced chopstick tips intersect. Do it your best. I can't get enough power. This is normal. I'm getting used to it. Pickles. This is called tukimono. It's not good because it reminds me of a Japanese customary funeral. Sauce pork cutlet bowl, called sosukatudon. Gyoza. Clam miso soup. This is called sijimijiru. Move the clam shell. Find the right place. It, about 2/3 from the tip. Contestants. Tenshinhan. I eat this with a spoon. How to hold the pen.